Being an early investor in real estate in Belize may not necessarily be the sexiest time, however, it can be the most lucrative. Welcome to Platinum Point. This is a 60-lot subdivision located about 8.5 miles north of San Pedro Town, and it is a property that you will want to explore if you have been looking at land opportunities here that are still affordable, have financing, and have utilities. This is a huge one, the utilities comment. I'm going to talk more about that as we go through the drive-through video here. But in the meantime, I wanted to welcome you to Platinum Point and let you know that we're located right over here around lot number 28. If you can see at the bottom part of the map, lot number 28, we're at the beginning entrance of the Platinum Point subdivision. This is, as I mentioned, 60 lots in total, phase 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 on the west side of the property have already sold out, and now we're currently offering phase 4. So this is a proof of concept subdivision. This is not a pre-sale while we're trying to get things all sorted. Things are actually already underway, and I'm going to show that to you throughout our tour. So you can see as we look up here on the billboard, it says you are here. We're only about 1,000 feet from the Caribbean, and then also only about 1,000 feet from the lagoon on the west side of the property. The Kyle Francis Lagoon is really well known for the fly fishing, and it's just, I find it so much more, I would say, attractive than Secret Beach. You don't have all the crowds. It's just as beautiful, and you have a lot of marine life there. But we're going to do a drive-through tour so you can see lot number 28. We're going to go along the southern side of the site map, work our way up to go past phase 4, and then we're going to work our way down phase 1 on the west side. Come back to the beginning where you can see my finger is, where it says you are here, lot number 28. And then if we have a couple of extra minutes, we're going to go outside of the subdivision so you can see some of what's around the area. So again, this is Platinum Point, located about 8.5 miles north of San Pedro Town. I'm going to turn you around to take a look at the subdivision, and I'm going to give you some key highlights as we're driving around. So, all right, lot number 28. This is already cleared and filled to give you a good idea of the property size as we're driving by. So lot number 28, we're going to be going towards the west over here. Then we're going to make the first right coming up so that you can see phase 4. This is actually the beginning of phase 4, lot number 27, a corner lot going for $63,000. And what I like that the developer has done is offering 10-year financing with 70% financing. So 10-year term, 70% financing, corner lot, $63,000, and then any of the interior lots going for $59,000. The developer is doing the financing on all of the lots, doesn't matter if it's corner or interior. And what I really like that she is offering is that she will finance the fill. If when you decide that you want to own within Platinum Point, you can finance the filling, the clearing and filling, which is not something that I have heard of developers doing. Typically, they're going to sell it to you as is. They're not getting involved with the clearing and filling. We're going to see an example here of an owner. She purchased 2 lots. She has 2 daughters and figured for estate planning it'd be nice to be able to give each of her daughters a lot down the line. And you'll be able to see, I'm going to turn this around, there's a green stake right, or a green flag right over here, green tape on that stake. And this indicates one parcel that she has. You're going to see the electric pole with another piece of green tape. And then there's also one more green tape over here by the bulldozer. And so this lot is currently in the process of getting cleared and filled, and she's going to be getting both of those done. So great way to plan for the future. She's not necessarily planning to build something right away. However, she wants to have it ready for the time that she is going to be building. So we're here towards the end of phase 4. So these last two lots are sold. However, the interior lots and the other corner lot that I showed you in the beginning, number 27, is available. I'm going to flip the screen here. You'll be able to see straight ahead. On the right-hand side is going to be a future phase. On the left-hand side is phase 3, and then behind phase 3, there's about an acre of green space that has been allocated for the community. Now, on my right over here, this is going to be phase 2, and then phase 1 is going to be on the other side. Phase 1, phase 2, and then phase 3 across the way over here. These are the 3 phases on the west side of the subdivision. These are already sold. these are already sold, but I want to take you down through because there's one lot that I do want to highlight to you. Now, as you can see, we're very clearly driving around the subdivision in a golf cart. The developer is the one who actually put the roads in. So when she purchased the land, it was about 10 acres in total. It was just raw land. There was no way to access any of the parcels that she had subdivided. So she had to put the road in. Good thing she did, so now everyone is able to access their properties. But she actually went one step further than most developers. She is bringing electricity to all of the lots, the entire 10-acre subdivision. And you probably noticed as we were driving around the electric poles, and the lines have been getting installed. There are just a couple more sections that they need to be finished. Should be finished end of this month. We're in May, so let's say by the end of summer, knowing Belize, and you'll have electricity right here to your parcel. This is huge because it is not a guarantee that developers are going to ever put in infrastructure. So knowing that you have road access already, the electric lines, poles are in, and you'll be able to connect sooner rather than later is a huge, huge advantage, especially when it comes to the value of your property. So I wanted to show you this parcel in phase 1 quickly, because this owner decided not to fill the entire lot. He actually left about 3 feet on each of the 3 sides as the natural vegetation, because in Belize, on the island here, we have 5-foot setback laws. So when you want to construct your home or a property, you have to be 5 feet from the boundary lines. And so he decided to keep some of the natural greenery there, just to have a natural boundary between him and his neighbors. He's not necessarily sure when he's going to construct. However, he figured get it filled now while he can finance it, and then get those details figured out later. So I was mentioning that before, where the developer, yes, will finance the lot, 10-year term, 70% down, 10% interest, but you will also finance the clearing and the filling of your property. That one is going to be a shorter financing term. However, it is still possible to finance that. So really cool advantage if you decide to become an owner within Platinum Point. I'm going to turn the camera around. This is the bottom section of phase 1 and phase 2. There's the turnoff that we made to see phase 4. And then this is lot number 27, that corner lot I was mentioning to you before. And then 30 is next to it. And then you can actually see the bulldozer there. The trucks were just in here. So I wanted to record before the trucks for the fill came in, because they can get a little noisy. So we're getting back towards the entrance. This is lot number 28 that we saw that's cleared and filled, right over here by the entry signs that we saw. So let me come back to the entry, and then I'm going to take us outside of Platinum Point so you can see some of the surrounding area. So we're going to just head out, but actually before we do that, let me just point out the electric line. So you can see right above, and you can see the lines in, you can see the poles in, and she's the one who did this. And I'm just so, it sounds so corny, but I am so proud of her for doing that, for taking that extra step and putting the proper infrastructure in order for people to enjoy their property. Now, what we have found is that a majority of the people who are purchasing here and owning here at Platinum Point, there are some land bankers, some who are picking up land now, letting it appreciate in value, and then selling it down the line. There are others who are preparing now. They know that at some point they want to own land here or build a property here, relocate, spend some significant time. So they're acquiring the land while it's still affordable. And then we have others who know that they want to build here, starting sooner rather than later, and this is going to be their primary location. Because of where we are in the Newtown area, we're far enough from town. It is about a 35 to 40-minute golf cart ride from town. But there are also things around already. We have Sapphire Beach Resort, which is located around the corner, about a 1-minute drive. We have some little corner stores here that I'll point out as we drive by. We have new restaurants that are popping up. And the Newtown area really started as a result of Heredia subdivision. Heredia subdivision is about 300 to 400 parcels of land that was given out from the government to locals, and it's been really phenomenal to see this whole literally new town sprout up here on the north side of Ambergris Caye. And with that new town, literally there's been new infrastructure, new improvements, electricity, roads to those lots have gone in. This is Bonitos. This is a great little store. You probably heard us mention it before. They do barbecues on the weekends, so we've stopped before because of how delicious it smells and how delicious it tastes as well. Here's an example of a home, and behind this area over here, so behind the camera, this is that Heredia subdivision area. And so having a whole new town up here allows for access to a local workforce, also allows access to more affordable land ownerships, especially when you're comparing that to values of land on the south side or south of the bridge within San Pedro Town. Coming up is another little corner store. So you have a good variety of 3 little corner stores here to choose from if you need to pick up any of those staples. And I'm gonna just go right around the corner here and take us to the Crow's Nest. The Crow's Nest was recently opened by a couple that lives at Sapphire Beach, which is that condo resort complex just about a half a mile from Platinum Point. And so there's already a sports bar here called In the Wild that's just located a little bit south, but there wasn't really necessarily like a restaurant. So I'm gonna turn this around so you can see what it looks like. And we're gonna just pull in here to the Crow's Nest so everybody can get a feel of what's around. I love what they did. There you go, welcome to the Crow's Nest. And then Fridays is their big barbecue day. So we are not recording this on Friday, so we're not going to see the barbecue, but that's like a big thing here on the weekends is going to be your barbecue. So you find the hot spots that do it. I came here for barbecue a few weeks ago and we ran into people who live all the way south, and like, oh, we came up because the barbecue's so good. So nice to see that all underway. But they have really great signage, so you can just follow the signs to get to the Crow's Nest, and I'll give you a little sneak peek too, so you can see what's up here. But this complex that we're driving within is called Soulmate Properties. It was a handful of properties, beachfront and off beach, that were acquired specifically for Airbnb market or for the rental market. All right, so the Crow's Nest is at the Soulmates Properties over here, and I'm gonna just look how cute they are. I love how colorful the homes are. Oh, look at that! Just to give everybody a little overview of the property. Hi! Smile! All right, so the Crow's Nest, that's one of the owners there. And, oh, my golf cart. Oh my God, I put the brakes on my golf cart. All right, guys, lesson learned. As you're driving, make sure you always put the brakes on. Okay, there we go. All right, continuing back. All right, the Crow's Nest, I just want to give you a sneak peek. Make sure you stop up here. Watermelon Margaritas happy hour 2 to 5. It's a great little spot, and they have a pool here too, so you can enjoy your food, take a dip in the pool, and then have really stunning Caribbean views. So you can see how quick that was from Platinum Point, just a couple of minutes. This is gonna be the Caribbean side of the island, and then there's also going to be the lagoon side too. So super charming, colorful place here. Make sure you stop by the Crow's Nest when you're coming up. All right, folks, that was a whirlwind tour of everything. I know we covered a lot of information. However, if you'd like additional information about Platinum Point, we're gonna put the details in the link below, in the description below, and you can reach out for additional details. We look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in paradise. Bye, everyone.